Hello. Today I'm going to show you where to find your vehicle information's labels on your Mazda CX-5. First step, the vehicle identification number, VIN. It's for use to see that all components are included and matches to your car. The vehicle identification number legally identifies your vehicle. The number is on a plate attached to the control panel located on the left corner of the instrument panel. And here you can see the vehicle identification number is on or under and cover on your passenger side, on the bottom side. Okay, then of course you have some information in your drive, in your papers. There is the VIN2 and other informations. What is the VIN? The VIN is an information thing for it's a Unicode including a serial number used by the automotive industry to identify individual motor vehicles, towed vehicles, motorcycles, scooters, and mopeds. It's defined in ISO 3779 and ISO 4030. And there are some information in these numbers. You have numbers and letters in it. And on the first, second, and third thing, there is the world manufacturer identifier. In this case, it's Mazda. Then you have the vehicle descriptor sector. This is the letter and number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Then you have the vehicle identifier section. This is from 10 to 17. There are all informations about the world manager, the vehicle attributes, check digits, model year, plant code, sequential numbers, etc. This code is unique for your car, and you can find it on your windscreen, on a shield on the front side. You can see it on the passenger side, under a cover. You can see it in Russian Federation cars on the left side under the car hood, if you are standing in front of the car. If you are from the Philippines, it's on the car hood itself. Then, of course, you can see it with an OBD2 scanner because it's in the electronic system. If you have a left-hand drive model, of course, it is on the other side as the right-hand drive model. Then you can look the engine number. This is under the car hood. On the right side, if you're standing in front of your engine, there you can see the engine number. And a conformity plate is with production year and months is on this plate. This is on the chassis itself, the model plate. You can see on the right or on the left side of your car. This will identify your car, and if every of these letters and numbers are matches, the vehicle is the right vehicle, and you you are driven the right vehicle as shown in the papers. This is a little information labels around your car, and of course on the model plate you can see more information for color, interior things, etc. And the VIN is the center of all. The VIN, vehicle identification number, contains everything, every information, and the others are about the weight, the paint, where it is built, in which month, in which year it is built, and how much weight you can use in the front and the rear, etc. Every information you can find on your car. Yeah, front side on your glass, model plate on the side, chassis number under the carpet, and of course the engine number on the engine itself. And the VIN is on more locations, but I showed you, I think, every VIN location on this Mazda CX-5. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.